Bonjour, c'est Franck. This is episode 3 of French pronunciation for beginners. If you're catching this series in this episode, make sure to go directly to episode 1 as there are some crucial instructions to follow. And also you need to download the accompanying worksheet which is in the description. See you in episode 3 soon. At this point, you have reviewed episode 1 and 2. And you're ready to be quizzed on the dictée for the content of these 2 episodes. But first, let's finish the pronunciation of the phonetic alphabet. Remember, you have a pen and paper ready, and we're moving on to the last 10 letters. Je commence. I start. Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U. Remember to write the word at the very same time as you are saying it aloud. V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Let's move on to the final dictée. So this is your baby step 3 of the French pronunciation for beginners. Let's start the dictée. Numéro 1. Q, U, A, I. Je répète. Q, U, A, I. And the word que, que. And that means dock or dock at a harbor. It can also be a train platform. Numéro 2. E, X, T, R, A. Je répète. E, X, T, R, A. Extra, extra. And that means extra, right? Numéro 3. N, E, Z. Je répète. N, E, Z. And it is pronounced nez. The Z is silent. Nez. That means nose. Numéro 4. W, A, G, O, N. Je répète. W, A, G, O, N. Wagon. The W is pronounced as a V. Wagon. And that means a train wagon. Numéro 5. It's a longer one. Je commence. S, Y, N, O, N, Y, M, E. Now the entire word. S, Y, N, O N Y M E. Synonyme. Synonyme. And in English, synonym. Numéro 6. V E I N A R D. Je répète. V E I N A R D. Vénard. The final D is not pronounced. Vénard. And that means lucky person. And since this was a quiz, let's do one extra, but it's a short one. Numéro 7. Q U I Z. Je répète. Q U I Z. Another word, you've guessed it, quiz. And the word is also used in French, quiz. Bravo! Congratulations! This ends this 3 episodes series on basic French pronunciation of the French phonetic alphabet. See you in the next series. Au revoir!